Video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can quickly create a gradient using the bas relief filter. Now just got over here, just click, change the foreground colour because the bas relief filter uses the colours there, and I'm just going to change that to that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to apply it to a new layer. So I've got this design already. What I can do, just quickly create a new layer. Now bas relief doesn't unfortunately work on an empty layer, so just quickly fill it. So fill with white, and then filter gallery, and then apply that. And you can see the colours are used. You can modify the angle, change the detail, smoothness. I put the smoothness up right high. Click OK. So now you've got two layers, and again you can do with gradients and layers. You can use blending modes, so overlay, difference, etc. So a whole range of different colour effects just using the bas relief. And once you're finished, once you're happy with that, just of course flatten that, and there's your gradient very quickly. Hope you found it of interest. Thank you much.